In this video, we're going to show you how to turn a Raspberry Pi 5 into a self-hosted newsletter server. Grab your Raspberry Pi 5, flash the OS onto a microSD card, set up your hardware, and boot the system. On our website, blackdevice.com, you'll find a complete step-by-step guide that explains how to carry out this project from start to finish. We've left the direct link to the post in the video description. Start by making sure your system is fully up to date. As a next step, we recommend assigning a static IP address to your Raspberry Pi. This will make it much easier to access and manage your server later on. Now install Docker, which is the tool that will allow you to deploy Listmonk and all its dependencies in a simple and reliable way. Once Docker is installed, assign the required permissions to your user so it can interact with the Docker group, and then reboot the system to apply the changes. After rebooting, verify that Docker is working correctly. Create the project directory and move into it. Then download the official Docker Compose file directly from the Listmonk repository. Once the file is downloaded, create and edit the .env file. This file will store your database credentials and the default admin user for Listmonk. The next step is to run Docker Compose to start the entire service and its dependencies. When the process is complete, open your favorite browser and connect to the IP address of your Raspberry Pi, followed by port 9000. This will take you to the Listmonk login screen. Enter the credentials you defined in the .env file, and you'll gain access to the control panel of your new newsletter and mailing list server. On the official Listmonk website, you'll find extensive documentation covering everything you need to customize your setup, from advanced installation and configuration options to best practices for usage and subscriber experience. The documentation is an essential resource. Now let's take a look at the Listmonk control panel. The interface is clean and minimal, and right away it gives you a clear overview of your basic usage statistics. In the Lists section, you'll find all your subscriber lists. These allow you to segment your audience, decide what users subscribe to, and control which campaigns are sent to each group. For each list, you can create subscription forms that you can later embed on your website or use directly through a dedicated URL. In the Subscribers section, you'll find detailed information about your audience, including statistics and subscriber data. From here, you can manage subscribers individually, as well as import or export them whenever you need. The Campaigns section shows all your active and past campaigns, along with performance metrics. From here, you can create new campaigns, choose who you send them to, define the content, and control how messages are delivered. Listmonk also provides tracking features that give you insights into opens, link clicks, and other useful metrics. We strongly recommend checking the official documentation to learn how to optimize and personalize your campaigns and extract meaningful data to analyze their performance. In the Templates section, you can create and manage the templates used for your campaigns and automations. Templates can be built directly in HTML or using the built-in visual editor, which is intuitive and easy to use if you're familiar with similar interfaces. In just a few minutes, you can be sending your first newsletters and starting to collect subscribers for your business or project. Finally, the settings section is where you'll find all the options needed to turn this into a production-ready service. Here you can connect a custom domain, configure an email delivery service, and set up a secure and robust environment. With the right configuration, Listmonk becomes a high-performance, scalable, fully self-hosted newsletter and mailing list server, completely independent from third-party platforms. We hope this video has been useful and that you give Listmonk a try. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use a setup like this, and feel free to share your ideas or questions below. Thanks for watching.